Y'all, look how badass that looks. I mean, that's freaking nuts. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today we're gonna work on the front two bars and this crazy bar right here that Steven and I did last night with the help of our friend Chris. Hey guys, just a quick reminder, we are giving this car away when the channel hits 1 million views. All the rules and everything are down below, so make sure you read them, ask any questions. Thanks a bunch, here we go. All right, Steven, tell us what you're doing now.
Trying to figure out how to bend it this way, basically.
Oh, and then we'll come this way with it. Come to you.
Yeah, but it'll be bent at an angle.
Yeah.
That's where the tricky part's at. So I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, because once we get...
Because like I can't go further out right now because I'm already hitting the button. Let's see when it'll bend this way. Trial and error right here.
Oh shit! Y'all, look how badass that looks. I mean, that's freaking nuts. Dude, look at that. And that. I need more.
Am I leaning like this?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks badass. Yeah. All right. I was fixing to go inside. Steven is a bad influence, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the bash bar for the front, and he's gonna start working on the bar that'll run from that from the bar there up to this here. So, alrighty.
Perfect.
That's awesome.
You just want to do a 90 or you want to sweep it over there to it?
Man, I'd sure like to sweep it. But like, I mean, could we come to maybe like bend it and come to here and then bend it over?
Where do you want to bend it?
I mean, like, let's come over that, and then I can do a gusset inside to pull that up.
So we're going to go right here? Right over the top of that over here?
Oh shit, I wonder if we could, you think we can bend it enough there to get it here?
Yeah, I mean, I can.
Let's do that. Let's start the bend here, and maybe it'll snake out
bend
enough
this
to
side.
come around. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, hold on. Come back with
You fucking man, you
that.
said
I
me.
know. I'm thinking like, yeah, because if you come out here, it's almost going to go into that straight, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But do we do that and then I match that width with the bars down below? So it's 3.
Okay.
Nah, let's keep bending here because like then I can come out and these bars will bend about right here.
And come out further.
Yeah.
Yeah. One more thing.
All right, so I got the plates here, got the piping here. It'll be something like that. All right, guys, brackets are done for now, and I'll get this hole drilled over here. Got the hole drilled up top there, and we mount off the slider on the bottom, and we'll get some bars bent up tomorrow. Y'all, look how cool that looks. I can't wait till tomorrow to start putting piping on that. Woo! All right, guys, day 3 or day 2. Yeah, day 2 for you guys on the Kart. I'm gonna go ahead and bend up. I've got the pipes cut for the bash bars. Got them marked so we can then make the bends to get it mounted up and look cool on the thing. So here we go. Oh man, guys, look how cool that looks. Oh, can't wait. All right, I'm gonna weld it up now. Oh man, how cool does that look? Oh, I dig it. Okay, gotta get this welded in. Look, how cool does that look, guys? This bar got a little twisted, so I'll take and bend this side down so it matches that side over there eventually. But hey guys, just a quick reminder, we are giving this car away when the channel hits 1 million views. All the rules and everything are down below, so make sure you read them, ask any questions. Thanks a bunch. Here we go.